In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a donation form to your Wix site. This is a fantastic way to engage your visitors and encourage them to support your cause, whether it's for a nonprofit, a community project, or any initiative you're passionate about. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functioning donation section on your site, making it easy for supporters to contribute. Let's dive in and get started. To begin, open up your Wix editor. This is your main hub for making any changes or updates to your site. Once you're there, we need to access the App Market to add a special feature. On the left side menu, you'll see an option labeled Add Apps. Click on that, and it will open the App Market, where you can find a variety of tools and add-ons to enhance your website's functionality. Now, in the search bar, type in Wix Donations. This is the application we'll be using to manage and display your donation form. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on Add to Site. This action will integrate the Wix Donations app with your site, paving the way for you to accept donations seamlessly. Now that we have the app ready, the next step is to create a dedicated space on your website for donations. Still in the Wix editor, look for your site's Pages panel. You can usually find it on the left side. Here, you'll see a list of all the pages that currently exist on your site. To add a new one, click on the button that says Create New Page. From the options presented, select Donations page. This will set up a new, blank page where we can build out your donation form. With your new donations page ready, it's time to start customizing it to suit your needs. On this fresh page, click on the donation form that's been added, and then look for an option called Choose Campaign. This lets you select a campaign you've already created, or, if you're new to this, click on Add New Campaign. When creating or choosing a campaign, you want to ensure that it aligns with the purpose and messaging of your website. Make it personal and engaging so visitors feel connected to your cause. Once you're satisfied with the campaign details, begin customizing the form itself. You can adjust the fields to gather necessary information or remove ones that might not be relevant. As you do this, take the opportunity to tailor the design to match your website's aesthetics. Finally, don't forget to configure the payment options. Wix provides various methods to collect donations, and you should choose the ones most convenient for your audience. And there you have it. That's how you can add a donation form to your Wix site. Remember, setting up donations is not just a technical task, but a chance to reach out and share your vision with potential supporters. Happy fundraising!